the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Monday, August 9th. And what a quiet day we have here. First, we want to start out by thanking Brian Shepard and Tim for stepping in while I was off last week. You know, just straight out, it needed a little time off, and here we are. We're back at it again. As far as today's trade goes, you know what? We started out with extremely, and I say extremely low Globex volumes. Only 165,000 traded before the open versus what traded before the open last Friday after the jobs number, which was about 420,000. So that's a big decrease in what we're seeing as far as volumes here. But when we came in this morning, the 160,000 contracts we saw before the open right now is only 609,000 contracts. That means from the 8:30 open to 11 o'clock or 11:10 Central Time right now where we're at on the trading floor, they've only done about 450,000 minis. That is extremely low. That goes back to like days of a holiday, before Easter, before Thanksgiving, something like that. But really what it is, everybody, is people are now in full step toward taking time off from the markets. We're going into the end of the summer. Those that didn't take any vacation time have now stepped up and taken time off. In our IM here, we've got over 250 IM set up on the IM on the pivot system, and only about 80 are in there. So that tells us that most people are taking time off. Now, as far as the rest of the day is concerned, we did a little poll through our IM here. We asked how many people thought that we would, if we would take out the stops above 27.5 up to 31. The majority of the people that hit me back said that they did think that we would do that. Now the S&P got down to the 1790 level, which was a key level. It was a level that held late on Friday. And then when the market took off, that's where we kind of resisted. Now we're back above there. So the market seemed to be kind of in a positive mode here. But if you look behind me, the pit is down to only about 30 or 40 locals in here, and just straight out, the volume levers are just not here. So if that's going to happen, that's going to more than likely happen in the latter parts of the afternoon. Now, tomorrow starts a one-day Fed meeting. It's more than likely that the rates will remain unchanged. We don't see any reason that they would move the Fed would move up rates. But there's a little thing that was set out. Goldman said that if the Fed starts reinvesting its money, that it'll be a baby step toward unconventional easing. Now that's not specifically saying very much, but what it says is that there are some certain things moving toward markets, the easing process being, you know, maybe jumping into starting to up rates. But you know, we're not seeing any of that over here on the 10-year note options. We're not seeing any of that over in the euro-dollar options. It's just quiet here, and we suspect it will remain that way throughout the end of the day. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, you know, we're 23.5, 1123.5 last. The high of the day is, 2430. It's more than likely that we're going to take out that high. And then if we can get back above 27.5, we think we can run those stops up to 31. That would be about the highest we could see them this afternoon. Other than that, that's all we've got. We'd like to give you a little bit better update, but there's not much going on here. We'll see you tomorrow.